If your LG TV screen is flickering, don't worry, here are 8 tried and true methods to fix that flickering screen problem. Method 1. Check for loose cables. Start by checking all the connections on your TV. A loose HDMI cable can cause the screen to flicker. Make sure all cables are securely connected to both the TV and external devices. Method 2. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to compatibility issues and flickering. Go to the Settings menu and check if there's an update available for your TV. Installing the latest firmware can often resolve these problems. Method 3. Disable energy saving mode. Energy saving settings can sometimes interfere with your TV's display performance. Go to the settings and turn off any energy saving or power saving modes to see if this stops the flickering. Method 4. Adjust the picture settings. Sometimes, flickering can be caused by incorrect picture settings. Try adjusting the brightness, contrast, and sharpness settings. Setting them to a balanced level might stop the flickering. Method 5. Check for interference. Other electronic devices in the vicinity can cause interference, leading to screen flickering. Move any wireless devices, like routers or phones, away from the TV to see if the issue improves. Method 6. Test with different input sources. Switch between different input sources, like HDMI, USB, or even antenna, to check if the flickering is consistent. If the flickering stops on another input, the problem could be with the specific input source. Method 7. Turn off motion smoothing. Motion smoothing settings, designed to reduce blur, can sometimes cause flickering. Disable motion smoothing in your TV settings to see if it resolves the issue. Method 8. Reset to factory settings. If none of the above works, resetting your TV to its factory settings might resolve the issue. Be aware that this will erase all your settings, so only do this as a last resort.